Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can center a div. Here I'm going to say HTML and I will press tab. Here you can see it create a basic structure for me and the file name is index.html. In the body I'm going to select a div, write a div, and here let's say I want to write lorem text. And I want to set the style for it, and I'm going to say that background color will be red and the text color will be white. And if I go to the browser, you can see the div actually take whole width 100%. So I'm going to say here that width equal to, let's say, 300 pixel. Now what it will do, it will actually show like this, and I want a little bit padding, so I will add a padding, let's say 10 pixel. Refresh. Okay, now let's say I want to show this div in the center of the page. How can you do this? You just have to mention the div here, the style tag. Okay, inside it I'm going to say the div. Okay, I want to show I want to actually fix the position at first so that I can use some properties. So position fixed, when I say position attribute, okay, when I use this position attribute I can actually access top and left. So I will say top, let's say 30%. So I will say from the top I need space of 30%, and from the left I need a space of 35%, let's say, just to see actually what will work. It will work or not. So refresh, and now here I can see it's kind of in the center, right? So we can actually say here yeah, almost. So I can say here, let's say 40%. Refresh. Yeah, now it's in center, right? So these are actually, you can centerize your div